In this video, I'll show you the best web host for your WordPress blog. I'll show you the speed and the uptime of the web host. I'll also show you the pricing, and I'll compare the web host to other web hosts and show you why this web host is overall better. Let's get started. Okay, now the web host that I've chosen for this video is Bluehost. Bluehost is a very large web host that has been around for over 20 years. They already host over 2 million websites and blogs. They're one of the largest web hosts around, and I've personally been using them for my blogs and websites since 2016. Now Bluehost is perfect for new bloggers because they have a very simple platform. They allow you to install WordPress within one click, and once you create your Bluehost account, your WordPress will be automatically installed and your site will be created. This makes Bluehost very nice for new bloggers and people who don't have any technical knowledge. Now Bluehost is also a WordPress recommended web host. This means that the official WordPress website wordpress.org is recommending Bluehost as their host of choice for people who want to host WordPress on their website. If you start your blog with Bluehost, you get a free domain for the first year, a free SSL certificate, this just makes your blog more secure, and you have also 24/7 live chat support. This means if you have a question about your blog, you can go to chat here, then type in your information and you will get connected to a support agent with about 1 to 2 minutes. I've used the support many times with Bluehost and they have always been fast and reliable. If you want to follow along with this video and view the Bluehost website and their hosting plans for yourself, and also get a discount, you can click the links that I put at the top of the video description. Do note this is my affiliate link, which means I get a small commission when you sign up through my links. But this also makes it possible to create these high quality video tutorials. Now if you would want to create your blog with Bluehost, you would hover over hosting and click on shared hosting, or click on host your site here. Then you would scroll down. Now shared hosting is more than enough for a blog. And I've personally tested this and I've gotten 95 Google PageSpeed Insight scores with Bluehost shared hosting on my blogs. This means they are more than enough for a blog. Bluehost is fast enough to rank you on top of Google. Now if you're just starting out and you only want to have one blog, the basic plan is more than enough. As you can see, you can have one website, 50 GB storage. This is more than enough for your blog. You get the customer support, the free domain, the free SSL certificate, and also CDN. This just makes the website faster, and this also helps to rank you in Google, because if your website is faster, you will always rank higher. Okay, after you click on select here, they will now ask you to create your domain. They have many extensions such as .com, .co.uk, .net, .org, and so on. You can select your domain here. After that you can scroll down, put in your information here, and for the package information I'll show you how to get the cheapest plan possible. You can choose the 12 months or the 36 months if you want to have your blog for the long run. As you can see, you get a free domain and also the SSL certificate. And if we scroll down here and uncheck all of these, you can have your blog up and running for $47 a year. Now you can also uncheck the domain privacy plus protection, but you get spam calls and emails if you uncheck this. If you don't want to deal with these, leave this checked. And if we scroll down here, the payment options for Bluehost are PayPal and credit card. If we now go to a competitor for Bluehost like HostGator, they also offer competitive hosting with a free SSL certificate and a free domain and so on. So they're pretty similar. But in my opinion, Bluehost is much easier to use. So if you're just starting out with creating your blog, you don't have any technical knowledge, Bluehost makes it very easy to get started. I'll guide you through the process of setting up your account, and they also automatically create your website for you. All you have to do is go to sites on your Bluehost dashboard and then just log into your website. With HostGator, it makes it a little bit more complicated and you need to have a little bit more technical knowledge. So overall, Bluehost has the best value for money. You can start your blog for $35 for 1 year, and the overall ease of use of Bluehost is pretty good as well.